Hi there, I'm Abe Apt. I'm with AJA Video Systems. We're here at IBC 2025 talking with our friends at Digibox about some of the new stuff we have at the show. So here in my hands I have one of our latest converters. We just announced it at the show here. It's called the UDC 4K. And what this essentially is the most powerful mini converter that AJA has ever made. So it's in a little bit bigger of a box than we've had in the past. That's basically because there's a bunch of high-end electronics in there and we need to keep things all nice and cool, so it works nice and reliably for a good long time. But also we wanted to do things like put a local user interface on the box itself. So now there's a little screen and some adjustment buttons that basically allow you to go through all the menus and adjust every single parameter that is adjustable within the UDC 4K. So you don't need to hook this up to a host computer in order to fully control everything that the device does. Very convenient little feature there, but it also has a USB port on there, so you can connect it up to a computer and use it in MiniConfig like you have with all of our other mini converters in the past. On the back end, we'll see the inputs and outputs. There's quite a wide variety here. So this is a UDC 4K, but it does SDI and HDMI, and you can convert between SDI and HDMI in either direction. So you could give it an SDI input and send that out HDMI after all the processing, up, down, cross conversion, frame synchronization, what have you. We also have 4 SDI outputs on there. So this can actually act as like a little miniature distribution amplifier. You can put in your input video, and you can just basically have it looped out the 4 SDI outputs if you needed to, or you could even split those outputs, have it come out, looped out the first 2 outputs, but then have the second 2 outputs go through the processing in the box itself. So really, really powerful, really flexible box. Also, as I mentioned, it has that frame synchronizer circuitry in there, and that lends itself to another feature here. It actually does some utility frame rate conversion. So it has a reference pipe here, and if you put a reference signal into it, it'll basically lock to that reference signal and then convert the frame rate of whatever video that is coming into the box to the frame rate of that reference signal. So really, really convenient frame rate conversion for, dealing with things like 50 to 5994, 5994 to 60, weird little frame rate conversions that come up. So very, very convenient. It also has a nice feature that a lot of our customers ask for, EDID emulation. So when you have HDMI going out to an HDMI monitor, it's basically communicating with that monitor and telling the monitor, hey, this is what I'm outputting, prepare yourself for it, so you don't have to go messing with settings on your monitor just because you hooked up a UDC 4K. So great box. It'll be shipping very, very soon here in the next month or so. If you need a demo or any more information, please contact our friends at Digibox.